Hello, this is Coding Rook, streaming live again. I'm gonna introduce some more dwarves into this project from the same asset pack as this guy. So let's see. My soldier type. That looks fine. Okay, we need to change what? Brody. Brody. Brody or Brodel? It's Brodel. But then it's I. Oh my goodness, this is so bad. Rename Asset action utility. Asset action utility. Okay. Hey, Lander. How's it going, man? Yeah, not bad. Just trying to import some new things and renaming stuff, new assets. Let's see if this will work. No, this doesn't work. Why? I managed to do it with this one. this folder. Ah, there's only one. Okay, okay. That's why. And this is the mesh. Okay, so let's rename these guys. There you go.
Your body has been designed to accomplish this feat.
Now, why couldn't we rename these guys? Dwarf. Alright. So we want to.
Your mind, the frequency, and your feet.
I think it is an L.
The temperament of the beat.
Ignore case, yes.
The temperament
From Dwarf. Okay, so anything that has this in it
of the beat.
can run the scripted action.
Temperament of the beat.
But not in this pack. Not the meshes. Why do the meshes not? Okay, so SK Dwarf. Gonna copy that as it is. Ah, it's some other character actually that I don't recognize. Okay, it's not an L. It's something else. Okay. So let's see if this will work now.
Time to realign to the temperament of the beat. Your body has been designed to accomplish this feat. In this place.
Yes, now it worked. Okay, so it was some sort of unrecognizable character that I didn't know. Okay.
And your feet. The temperament of the beat. 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 The temperament of the beat.
Okay, so this is common. Okay. I will have to tackle overlaps. So does my guy have, if I go to my bro quest, is it player or character? Player. Characters. Here, no. Let's see. Org. Bet R. Works pack. Okay, some of these are duplicates and triplicates. T hair metallic, T hair metallic. They're the same. Okay. So one by one, I can eliminate duplicates when I introduce them in the main game. So that can be tedious. Okay. Let's get rid of. That's the BP player. Oh, what is this guy? Ah, this is the Dwarf player. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 components. Okay, side camera view, camera boom. Alright. What the hell? Arrow. Inherited, okay. We don't care about the mesh. Actually, we can ignore. Let's make sure we didn't break the game. Yep, we didn't. Okay. Camera boom, 1,000, okay. BP player, camera boom, 1,000, perfect, okay. Nothing for the melee weapon mesh. We need to scale that, I think, by 125, don't we? should know because we have done this here. Okay, okay. No. It does need to be a little bit bigger as a capsule, I think. I think we can afford to go a little bit further back. Let's try that. Minus 2.5 and minus 93. Hey, I'm alright, man. How are you? Doing easy things today. Nothing that kills brain cells. Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so these are my defaults for all the guys. Oh yeah, character movement. I need to copy all the values. So this is my dwarf here. 10. That's his idle animation. That's how he idles. It's a little bit like it's a little bit extreme, I guess. No, it's not additive. That's just like it's out of the box. It's how I got the asset with. Might be a little bit too fast actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, the idle stuff is a little bit much, maybe. I don't know. All right, so ledge check 10. I don't know why I had 10 there, but I'm gonna use the same for the parent class as well. So the player parent class at 1200, but I brought it down to what? Okay, 1200, fine. 5. Yep, okay. Okay, so my guy's it's quite a bit faster. Okay, so 750. Yep, okay. Can crouch, obviously, yes. The constraints, of course, Yep, okay. Okay, so I brought in all the customized stuff that I had for the child class back to the parent. So I think that's everything. Oh, jumping again. What did I have for jumping? And falling.
What if you do? Try again.
Yeah, okay. Everything is in. Okay, that's with the character movement. Melee weapon. Yeah, that's my component. That's interesting. Multiple values. It's fine, I may customize it for each player anyway, for each character. Same for ranged weapon, I have no idea what's... I don't think I'm using anything yet, so that's fine. Oh yeah, ability system. Only 2 members. Perfect, okay. Okay. Melee combo component. Don't have anything here yet. Okay. Okay. Cameras and stuff is fine. Capsule was done. Was it? Yes, I think it was. 1 second. I changed the dimensions of it, so that needs to be 92 as well. Almost forgot. And scale is 0.8. Yes, because that's the root component. Okay. And now all the character variables, the true walking speed and all that good stuff. Okay, so now the problem is I have a lot of unique yeah, this is where the problem lies now. Dwarf layer has more stuff that I need to bring back to the parent class. Forget about actor tech. Obviously I haven't changed anything here. I don't think. Obviously not. Okay. This is the okay, character ability system parameters. What the hell is this? That should be coming from the parent class. I don't remember why I don't. The animation is made different in the future, but for now, I don't have any differences. So be if they have the same thing. That takes care of the animations. 3800. Oh, maximum speed armed. 600. No. I decided that they're gonna have the same speed whether they're armed and unarmed. Character age, dwarf level 1. There you go, dwarf level 1. Traces. This is not used anymore. None. Okay. I can probably remove that variable. Weapons, none. Fine. Abilities. Okay. Yep. This is where I need to add them in the parent as well. initiating mantling. Okay. Replicate movement, no. Replicates, no. Net priority. I don't know why that was one, but anyway. Actually, this is not a... something that I want to tamper with yet. Always spawn, ignore collisions. Let's just do that. Okay. Do this and do this. Okay, it automatically propagates the compile and save. Fine. Now what I don't understand is this. Up here, I have a category now. Ability system parameters. Mantling parameters. Position curve. Starting offset. Because I have I can variables. Yep. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the entire mantling calculation stuff is in the child class, but it needs a blueprint. So, oops. I need to. And I have components here. What is this? Beard. Okay. Okay. We don't need components. Variables. Yes, on dialog style. Yep, that's fine. That's in the player class. That's good. Interfaces. Yep. Inherited. That's fine. And we have mantle update. Now, how the hell do I move all of that to the parent without screwing everything? I don't want to create another base class just for these guys now. Yeah, I find it immensely important. There's times that, you know, the project gets corrupted, the editor doesn't start. It saved my butt a whole bunch of times. I don't know how to set it up for myself, like to self-host. I think I need a server to do Paraforce. So I just prefer SourceTree. I like SourceTree. It's fine, it's not bad. It's only me, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, and it's easy interface, quite simple, you know. My commits, my branches. Yeah, I mean, I only use like a small subset of things that I feel comfortable with, and for the most part, it's fine. And I do like the branching system. Allows me to do stuff. A lot of these are failed experiments. Some of these have been merged. Fusing ALS4, yep, I failed with that. Didn't go anywhere. Yeah, you can see like the branch just ends here, doesn't merge back into the blue one. Yeah, it's cool. Like you can do stuff, experiment with things. Okay, so now my problem is, how do I move variables and logic from one blueprint to another, from a child blueprint to the parent blueprint, without blowing things up? Because I want to avoid an unnecessary layer of hierarchy here. I have the BP player, and then I want to have my dwarf blueprints inheriting from player. But this sort of formed like a dwarf archetype, which I could inherit from for all the dwarves, but I don't want to do that. I want everybody to just directly inherit from BP player. And I have these variables and a function and the event graph as well. How do I move everything to the parent is my question. I think I'm just gonna have to mirror the work and rename everything a little bit differently so that it doesn't clash. Yeah, super manual, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, basically, yeah. I'm repeating what you said, basically. I don't know if you posted it as I was speaking or after. Yeah, look at this. This is the mantle implementation. Which I ripped off the advanced locomotion system, obviously. Oh my god, this is painful. But this is under dwarf player, but I should have done it under BP player because I kind of know that all my player characters are going to be the dwarves. Maybe one dwarf, maybe all of them. But yeah, there's no point in doing BP player, BP dwarf player, and then a separate blueprint again for each one of the different characters. I think they should just be... it should have all been down here. Down at, up at the parent level. Okay, so this is struct? I guess it is a struct. Okay. Mental parameters from ability parent. Let's call that parent. Unless I do it without compiling, like I copy everything, same names, I delete the original. Maybe that could work. Well, this is why I use source tree, because I can revert. So let me do that. See, shoot, we renamed everything automatically to 0. It found the class already. Wow, that's pretty good. Wow, that's amazing. Which means that even if I then copied over, I would have been copying with the dash, with the underscore 0 anyway. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Mental params. Expand all. There's nothing. Okay. Collapse all. If mental params. Okay. Mental update parent. Okay. Is there a return node? No. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is copy everything. Except this guy. That didn't work. Copy and paste. Ah, there you go. Now it did. Hook that up. Do not compile, do not save yet. Let's go back to the child class. And the invent graph, we had a mental timeline. Interesting. But where do we access that from? Get timeline. Yep. Okay. Okay. How do I add a? No. It's under components, right? So how do I add a new component? Timeline? No, it doesn't like it there. Okay, I can just add it manually here. Nope. Should be under the event graph. Mental timeline parent. And unfinished. Oh no, mental update parent. Okay. Mental update parent. It's very good. Okay. And then this is it done. A mental update is basically okay, so this is where the clash happens because step 2 will require this one instead. Okay. And I think this is it. So now if I delete everything from the child class, yeah, because all the mental update was doing was this one, mental timeline. Yep, okay. And that was done in the event graph. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Dwarf player. Mental update. Yep, okay. But who was calling it though in the first place? I'm missing something here. Who was telling the dwarf player to start playing the ability, of course. So now I gotta go back and find the ability. Yeah, see that changed as well. That needs compiling. Update. No, okay. mental parameters. Player character. There you go, BB dwarf player. Okay. Ooh. I need to set the parent parameter one, not the. Okay. Okay, I can do this. I can do this, but first let's take care of the music. So I'm taking the reference of the player character, which is the child now, and I'm setting its struct, but I need to go and do that for the parent class now. Ah, and the timeline needs to change. Yep. Okay. Set mental parameters from ability. Parent. And split the struct. And so that needs to go here. Oops. Don't remember what this variable is. We need the mental timeline parent. Yep, that's perfect. I don't know what this variable is. I don't remember. Mental parameters. Mental. Is this local? I do not know. I rerouted everything to the parent one, but then I access this variable and I don't know what it is. Let's do an experiment. Let's copy that and recombine it. Mental parameters. Mental parameters. Where is that coming from? Mental. Ah, it's from the mantling ability. It's okay. That's fine. I think it's part of the defaults. Okay. Okay. Oh no, I compiled. Why did I compile? Okay, because I haven't compiled this one. Whew. Okay. Whew. Let's go to this guy. Dwarf player. Okay. Okay. Now let's delete everything. And hopefully this will not... let's actually delete this first. Delete this one. And then delete this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, and let's pray that this didn't blow everything up. But actually, I'm going to compile the parent one. Ooh. Ah, yes. Could not find because... Because now I need to go back and rename this guy. What if I rename this one now to just plain ability? Nope, that didn't work. Cannot find variable. Ah, do I have more variables? Mental target. Oh no, I think I had a local variable. Shoot. Yes, that's what it was. Set mental target and then I think this guy had a... Yeah, damn it. Oh my goodness. I had these all these local variables. Oh man. Forgot about those. Yeah, that's fine. So now, oops, what I have to do. Go to people. Mental target, and that's a transform position alpha, and that's a float. XY my correction alpha. The correction alpha. And then we have a alert target, which is again a transform. And then once again, let's delete the mantle update. Let's delete that one. And let's see if BP player now compiles. Could not find a variable named mantle target in BP player. But it's right there. Yeah, I may have to abandon this. Copy and pasting idea. Oh, unless I refresh. Maybe I refresh. There you go. I don't refresh, I replace. Replace with position alpha. Replace with. Replace with. Okay, slowly but surely we are fixing this. Aye, indeed, very manual. Very manual. There's no replace with here? Aw, come on. I was getting my hopes up. Mantle target replace with. Mantle target. Ah, blend in, what is this? Oh my god. There's another one that's missing. Shit. Blend in. No. Get blended. Who? What the hell is this variable? Nope. Must have been a local variable then. Initial blending controlled in a timeline curve to allow yes, of course. Yeah, this is all wrong because I lost the did I lose the curve? Yeah, I lost the curve. This was a complete waste of time. Well, maybe not. I'm gonna revert the that compiles. I'm going to revert. I shouldn't have deleted the cancel. Oh, I mean the Dwarf player. I'm gonna revert the Dwarf player, not the. Anyway. Yeah, save everything. And then the beauty of this is that I can say do not delete. I mean, discard Dwarf players. Oh, cancel. Discard selected. Okay. Timeline, there you go. Oh my goodness. deleted all that. What a silly goose. Okay. So what I have to do is probably copy that. Can I copy that? Yep. That's fine. Oh my goodness. The blend-in is it's not a local variable, it's the input variable of the mental update. Oh my god. I'm not paying attention. Not paying attention. Not, oh my god, not Apple. Blend in. And the alpha goes here. There you go. Delete this one. Get this one in there. And this compiles now. Great success. And we have the curve that we wanted. Perfect. Now if we delete the Dwarf player stuff, delete this one, mental update, delete that one, and delete this one. Okay, so now everything compiles. And now everything is at the BP player level. The mantling ability compiles. First of all, I want to make sure I didn't ruin my wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, see you later. All right, light, 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 and no, missed it. Oh, hey Firewire, how's it going? Ah, thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's been been a challenging little project. Okay. Oh, I didn't test the mantling. So the whole point of this was that. Yes, I didn't break it. Okay. Okay. So now BP player is the parent, and dwarf player will be the one that holds all the doors. No, actually, I need to name this as the dwarf smith. But I need to make sure. Let me open Rider. I need to make sure I don't reference this anywhere in Rider. Well, thanks for visiting, Firewire. What's your story? Are you a fellow game dev? I might not have any references, which would be a good thing. All right, let it do its search. In regards to the, or was it this one? Can I move that in the construction script? Oh, I think I've tried that before and it didn't work. Let's tidy up. I don't know what this all means here, but I'm gonna tidy up. You. Oh, I still have bound the U one. Okay. A lowly web dev. I'm a I tried at some game dev before, and I think I know enough C#. Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. Well, this is Unreal and it's C++, not C#. I tried to learn a bit of C# some time ago, a long time ago, but I just abandoned it for whatever reasons. But break this link because we don't need it anymore. The parent takes care of it. Save everything. Ah, yes, of course. 1 second. 1 second. Unity, okay, yeah. I've never really done anything with Unity. this was my first engine, and I think I'm gonna stick to it for the foreseeable future. Much more comfortable in C++, and I actually do like this engine. It's difficult, it's challenging learning, but you know, when you get to learn it a little bit better and more of it, then it just becomes more rewarding, I think. But I'm sure Unity users feel the same way anyway. But brilliant. Okay. Call to parent was the trick. So now Dwarf players don't need to repeat that. Save that. All right. So now I think I've managed to revert to the previous state that I had. All my actions work. My combo system works. But most importantly, the meddling ability works, and it works whether I am armed or unarmed. Perfect. Cool. Okay, cool. Save everything. No, it's Unreal Engine 4. I haven't migrated to 5 yet, just because it's still sort of in preview, whatever they call it, not production ready. And it will probably slow me down in the short term, trying to learn it and everything. I mean, it's sort of the same, but just a new interface may slow me down a little bit in the beginning, but I think I'm gonna wait for a little while longer. Logic and configurations to parent BP player, and we'll now use BP Dwarf player as an archetype for all the Dwarfs. We'll duplicate it for all of them, and likely we'll rename it to Dwarf Smith, and we'll duplicate it for everyone else. Stage all. Have I saved everything? Yes. Yep. Okay. Commit. Boom. All right. That's done. What did writer say? Nothing found. Okay, I guess I haven't. Oh, wait a minute. Is it in game mode maybe? It could be in my game mode. Ah, there you go. BP player. Yeah, I mean, it depends on what you call assets. I do not really haven't started basically modifying like things like, I don't know, my skeletal meshes or I have all the assets I use are from asset packs. I guess if I needed to modify anything, I would maybe rename it and introduce it as a new mesh or something. But for the time being, I just introduce new assets into the game and I leave them be. I have a non-source control folder as well where I dump anything that is too large, and you know, Git warns me that, hey, like it's too large. Are you sure? So yeah, for the most part, I don't worry about assets because I'm not really modifying any of them, or hardly any of them. Just kind of like the composition of them in actors or prefabs, if you're familiar with Unity. I think that's what term you guys are using. But my blueprints or you know, pre-made actors and stuff, it just, you know, that's what changes, not the meshes and skeletal meshes and things like that themselves. If that makes sense. All right, so I don't need to worry about that. I can actually close that for now, exit. All right, moment of truth. Then I can go in here and rename that guy BP Dwarf Smith, because he's my smithy. And nothing has broken. Oh, fix up redirectors. I forgot. That's probably something that I should have done. Ooh la la. Oh Christ. That's bad. I may have to recall the repo if it's gonna fix up stuff. Nah, I probably did it because of the renaming now. Should be fine. Yeah, it's changing everything now. Okay. Yep, that's fine. That's... I think what I need to do now is duplicate one of the maps. What should I do? Let's do the Dojo one, I guess. It doesn't matter. What do you call a map where you just line up all the characters just for viewing purposes? Cast? The cast of whatever, characters map. Oh, well, hello. Light map coordinate index. I have no idea. Static mesh vertex buffer. Ooh, yeah, why not? Send and restart. Don't know if it was because I was doing a new map. Yes, please. Did it create my map? Is the question. No, it didn't. Okay. Oh, I think it's because maybe I'm in the map and that's why. Fine. Let me go to the world design map. This is where I have, if you're still there, Firewire. Like these are some other assets that I have, and I'm building little like groupings of them. And these are all like blueprint actors, prefabs in your language, I guess. But like I haven't tampered with them yet. Like I haven't created these myself. These are all like pre-made, so I haven't done any modifications to them that would require me to like submit a change in the source control or whatever. So what's his type? He's a dwarfsmith. Okay, fine. So let me just duplicate Dojo. Oh my goodness, what in the... Why are you crashing? Interesting. Okay, I may have to then duplicate another map. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I do like the engine, but sometimes it just crashes. And half the time I don't know why. Should I duplicate the puzzles? Okay, so there's something wrong with the dojo map, and I don't know what it is. Does this guy work? Works fine. Right. My code is bad because it didn't account for this type of enemy. So that's actually a good opportunity for me to debug this now. That's interesting. PQ fighting character CPP 284. There's no animation data. Okay. Which the warning was there if I was paying attention to it. The warning was there that are we checking for BQ animation data here? No, we're not. So this is one improvement I can do. I can make to the code. On health internal. Let's open that map and pay attention to the errors that it throws out in the beginning. Maybe I worry too much about it. These guys don't have a enemy NPC animation data. They have a null table. Ability system. Interesting. Why did it crash? Code, the crash report said line 24, so maybe the BQ animation data was. It's for dying and then finding how to die. Okay, so yeah, so let's do and PQ animation data. Although there are, I think I would have caught this thing another. Finished. All right. Save everything. Let's see if we're gonna crash again. Too far. For some reason, some of the combos don't work on this guy, but that's fine. I don't care about that. Because he's not supposed to be the real enemy. That makes sense. Die, come on. He's not dying. Okay. Alright, I'm not crashing anymore. That was the problem. He didn't have the asset. Okay. Anyway, I don't even care about these guys because that would be bad if we deleted the floor. I have the feeling that this bloody thing gets squished. Yep, it does. Okay. I need to fix this. The capsule is 0.8 and the weapon mesh. Edit blueprint. Editor. Capsule is 0.8 and the weapon mesh is 0.25. Save. But then it goes shorter. Okay. I do not remember why this happens. I'm gonna change that architecture anyway. Possess. Disabled. No. I need a different player mode. More settings. Default pawn class. None? Of course I'm gonna crash. Yeah, shouldn't have done that. I need to create some sort of spectators class. But for now I'm just gonna unpossess the pawn and just preview the map. But for now, oh no, nothing saved. Ah, damn it. Oh my god. Okay. Nothing in here. Delete that. Delete that. And that works. Okay. Save everything. The point is that this guy is not playable anymore. Should be looking at us. Oh, come on. What? Fight mode crouch. Who asked you to crouch? Player controller, fight mode, 142. All right, let's check that out. Don't crouch while in the air, but we don't have a... Yes, fine. Okay. Fine, I will keep him there. I guess we didn't have a character. And we were falling. Man, all I want to do is just not have a guy in the... I should have... I guess I never thought that I wouldn't have a character in the scene. But I guess I just discovered a case that I don't want a character. Anyway, have I... Possess... Player... Okay, fine. Fine, you be my guy. I will duplicate you just so that we can get it done. Okay. And I'll bring you closer to the camera. I'm gonna be lazy. Dun, dun, dun. Oop, now you're a little bit too close. What the hell? I did the wrong guy. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go create some other guys now. Let's quit out of this one. Ooh. Oh, what's going on? Where's my... It's funny, it still remembers the mesh from the other guy. Anyway, duplicate. And this guy is the soldier. Dwarf Smith. Where are the textures for these guys though? Where did I place the textures? Non-source control. Gotcha. Okay. Because I think they're rather large, aren't they? So if I go and check the soldiers textures, show in Explorer. Well, this particular one is 9 kilobytes, but then all the other ones are megabytes in size. Okay, plenty of them. 12, 6, 4. I'm never gonna change these things, so they might as well just be in non-source control, to be honest. Dwarf Smith. Dwarf soldier. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is go one up. And move everything to Dwarf Soldier. Move here. Okay. I think the materials I can just move to the actual characters folder. Move here. So that has nothing. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to deal with these yet, because these are common ones. I'll leave them be for now. I will leave them be. Why don't I delete this one now that I just saw it? Some tidying up. This anymore. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. Armor 1, Armor 2, Armor 3, Armor 4. Okay, I wish it was eyebrows, hair. Oh, yeah, let's start with the head actually. That wouldn't be a bad idea. Actually, why did I delete? Some of them were the same, weren't they? Damn it. There you go. Head. Can I reorder them is the question. Yes. No. Does it automatically? Oh no, it doesn't go alphabetical. You know what? It's fine. Let me just delete again as I intended. Skeletal mesh. Head under the mesh. Okay. And his head is that is a problem now. Why is the head over here? I probably need to do that. There you go. Helmet. I don't think I have anybody else with a helmet. That is a dwarf, so that's him. I squashed everybody, so this is a little bit, it's fine. I want my guys to be stocky a little bit, just kind of buff. What else do we have? Let's complete the face first. Then we'll do let's do hair actually first. Eyebrows. What else was there? Beard. Hair, eyebrows, and beard. And that's all the facial hair. And then we'll do the armor stuff. Okay. So hair. there he is, with his little receding hairline. Let's give him eyebrows, and again, we need to put that up here. Eyebrows. There you go. And beard. Let's give him the beard that he deserves as a dwarf. Oh my goodness, that's a mighty beard. Okay. And now let's do the helmet. Helmet. What else do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of armor. Hold on a minute. Where is his damn shield? Hold on a minute. Where the hell was I? Wasn't part of the blueprint, that's why. He was holding it. Okay, okay. Okay. It wasn't part of his blueprint, only the spear. Yeah, and I only transferred the spear. Fine, my bad, my bad. Oh, shield handles and stuff. Interesting. I have to construct it myself? What the hell? So what is this? Ah, the cloth. Okay, fine. What is this? Handle 1. Ah, okay, because the way he holds it. Gotcha. Okay. I wish he had an example of how it's done, but... Okay, so I need these 3 guys. Okay. Let's just do that. All right. I think we had how many pieces of armor for this guy? If I could type. Armor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I should be able to do skeletal mesh. Armor 1. Duplicate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice belt and everything. We scale up the weapon because we're squashing the capsule by 0.8. Okay, cool. So the spear doesn't reduce in size, but they do. The cloth, okay. Not on his head though, but in front of him. Perfect. Six pieces of armor, all the facial hair, the cloth. Okay, so now we need to arm the guy, but he's gonna need a different socket. Christ. First of all, he's gonna need animation blueprint, and he's gonna be dwarf. Well, that's annoying. Why aren't you moving, buddy? but his anim class is this. Why are you not obeying your... Yep, ABP Dwarfs. Okay, so let's try it this way again. That's odd. I don't understand why I have to manually redo this, but fine. I will indulge. Use animation blueprint, blah, 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 blah. Use that. Play. It did look odd to me that, yeah, he wasn't even moving in his viewport. There's something going on here. Ah, of course. I must have done it for the cloth or something, or for this guy. Yeah, there you go, there you go. That can be none. The mesh is the... There you go. Nothing. Maybe I need to do it manually here again. Okay, no. Call parent, okay. Come on, little guy. Why are you not? I mean, do I have to do it for everyone? I guess maybe the script is not running. No, that wasn't the case. I know why. I know why. Because my... Everything here now refers to Dwarfsmith rather than the player. There you go. Damn it. Alright, so now we need to do cast to BP player. Maybe I should have done the C++ class. Oopsies. Probably should have. Melee weapon. Script toggle. Refresh. Not sure why that didn't refresh immediately, but anyway. Oh, come on. What else? is missing. No, okay. Oh, the skeleton. Oh my god. Oh my god. He doesn't have a skeleton, poor guy. Ah, poor guy, he doesn't have a skeleton. Okay, how do we resolve this? That's right. I didn't reassign the skeleton. So let's go to skeletal mesh. Let's do soldier. And I think all of them need to be reassigned. No. Dwarf, mannequin, skeleton. Accept. Tedious but necessary. No. Dwarf, mannequin, skeleton, accept. No. Dwarf, mannequin, accept. Nope again. Don't know if there was a way to automate this, but almost there. 2 more to go. And down to the glorious helmet. Save everything. Close, 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 close. And voila. He's moving. wrong with this thing? Why can it not move? Hello? What? Well, that's odd. Why is it static? Move, damn it. In retrospect, this may feel a tiny bit too like long for him now that he's short, but it's fine. We'll see. Why are these duplicates? SM Dwarf Brody. Ah, that's why. Okay, so let me delete the problematic one. Dwarf soldier. Shield handle. O2 mesh is redundant. Fix up redirectors. No, we didn't need to. Fine. Materials, mesh, and textures. Okay, so let's move them all under characters. I'll figure out later what the move here. Close. Okay, we have a different one, don't we? I mean, characters, weapon. Ah, that's the spear. Okay. Reference viewer. Yep. I think I can do this trick. I can actually first do the meshes. Move here. Reference viewer, we're still referencing the one from the pack, but let's change that. The same material. I'll copy it over with the spear. So now any of these in the reference viewer should be pointing to the one that we have already installed under characters. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I can close these. And then hopefully these guys now are going to be, this guy now is going to be orphan. Reference viewer. Yeah, he's only pointing to these guys. So these guys should be identical to the ones that I put under non-source control, I think. So if I go down here, textures. Weapons. Don't know what weapon this is. I can figure that later. Dwarf soldier weapon. Yep, it's the same. So this weapon and this weapon, yep, same. So I can safely now go and delete these guys. Yep. I mean, basically the entire Brody guy. There you go. Delete. The reason why I can, okay, I added a spear while the game was running. That's why it was static, I think. I think that's what happened. Player, characters, static mesh. I will need then to add a handle 1. Perfect. It's already, wow, it's already predetermined as a component. Yes, that's perfect. That's perfect. Static mesh. We'll call that handle 2. And if we drop that guy, I think it's gonna pop right where he was supposed to be. Okay, so I think, yep, this is a left hand, because his left hand goes this way. Yep, perfect. That's fine. There you go. And that's our guy. Unfortunately, his shield seems to be pretty beat up. I wonder whether we can have a better texture at some point that is less dirty. There may be one, we'll see. Haha! Perfect. And now we have this guy. Is his beard though moving right? Yeah, kind of. Okay. Not the best beer, but... hopefully he can... he can climb like the rest of them. I don't sense that he has working mantling ability, which is rather odd. Is the mantling ability... because he doesn't have one yet. No, he should, because he's a soldier. He has the BQ ability system. Abilities, there you go. Dwarfsmith. Man, I gotta change it now to player. BP player. Change variable type. Oof. Because the mantle timeline, it's that stupid thing. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, we're good. We're good. No, we're not good. BP player. We're not good because the does BP player actually cast to a different nope. That's very awkward because if I do this guy, player 0, and I dispossess this guy, I don't know why I need to arm myself. There you go. Maybe I wasn't jumping right? No, definitely. There's definitely something going on here. Okay. I need to remember what could possibly be wrong. If there's some setting that I'm forgetting. Should have the mantling ability. Ah, I looked for casted Dwarfsmith and it didn't give it to me. Why didn't you? Dwarf Smith. Oh, I'm going crazy. I thought I did that before. Player character. Oh, BP player. Okay, maybe I didn't do the whole. Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay. There you go. Although I'm not sure how this guy would be able to mantle with a spear and a shield, but maybe he's will be disabled. He doesn't have a weapon. Alright, so his would definitely be a different animation blueprint. Yeah, because he has different animations. So let's import those. Do I have them already? Advanced locomotion, bossy animated characters, dwarf pack, Infinity blade. Nope. Okay. Ooh, I haven't stretched in 3 hours. Good, that's good. This is even better. That's interesting. Oh, that's nice. And then we transition to the perfect. Oh, wait, I'll go with number 2. Brutal quest with weapon. Player animations. Mannequin. With weapon. No! Ah, damn it. So what if we added a weapon grab socket? Add preview asset. Spear. Oh, what do we have to? Under game. Yep, brutal quest better. Yep, and this is under game. Ah, spear and shield animations. Right, let's do this. Ooh la la, this is a huge spear. Okay, we probably need to adjust it. Man. How do I remove? How do I remove the preview ones? Ah, damn it. Oh. Bone reduction. No, I need the... remove all attached assets. There you go. Man. Forge. That's fine. We shall add, this is under details, hand right. Okay, where's your hand right? There you go. Add socket. Spear. Spear. Grab. Spear hold. Socket. Okay. I'm going to delete the I thought I was gonna spear. I guess this is the handle, so we cannot have him maybe like this. Yeah, otherwise it's just too long. Yeah, it's not bad. And now let's do left. What is it? The left. Lower arm? Yeah, because yeah, let's do lower arm. Add a socket. shield, hold, socket, and I'm just gonna add the shield for now. I do need to know where the what I do notice is that this is the beat up version, but does he have one that is cleaner? Animations, blueprint, mesh. Not the spear, but the shield. I think it looks the same. M weapons. I don't know. It looks a little bit different. I'm gonna save that one as well as a material. Anyway. Nope, that was the wrong one. I meant to say the red one, the x-axis. Rather, -11. There you go. Move down to Z a little bit. No, this is now translated, so shoot. Damn it. I hate when they do that. Okay, the socket is there now. you go. Okay, I need to, yeah. Why is it so tilted like that? He's not holding his arm right. Oh man, this is so tedious. I don't know how to... Why is it being so obnoxious? Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it like that. I have no idea how the animations will come out, but... Okay. So then maybe we can... static mesh. Spear. Spear. Parent socket. Spear hold socket. stop. And the animation we're playing is not the blueprint anymore, but is the asset. And it will be the sphere metal animation. Play. Oops. Shield. Something wrong here because yes, shield. It's all along. Oh, maybe I haven't saved the skeleton or something. Why does it seem so bad here? It should be covering most of his face. Interesting, interesting. Unfortunate. It doesn't do that very well. Whereas in the animation, it looks fine. but here, I can't believe I manually have to fix this. Ah, I know what the problem is. It needs to be scaled up as well. Jesus Christ. That could be a problem. It is squashed as well. Yeah, the problem I'm gonna have is that this is, yeah, we're larger here, so we're gonna have to I'm just gonna have to raise it up. There you go. Unfortunately, yeah. Yeah. We're gonna have to squash the shield because that's vertical. That makes sense. I think that's good. Now, what I need to do is where's handle 2? Ah, spelling error. What am I doing? I just need the handle here. Didn't I not? I didn't. Handle, but it needs to be handle. Problem is at a distance, we're gonna notice that it's pretty bad. We need to raise it up more to make it more believable, but then yeah, unless we make this a little bit smaller actually. Anyway, actually I shouldn't have to, because There you go. But then we cover him completely. I mean, that's a little bit unrealistic. Because the mesh... No, the capsule is 0.8. Ah, yes. So everybody is 0.8. I see what the problem is, probably is because delete. I mean, stop. 1.25 is the scale. Yep. And then the socket should just be 1. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's better. That's probably better. That's probably fine. I may just put the handle in different places. It's fine. That's good enough. And then what I can do is I can scale it on the y-axis, maybe. Perfect. I mean, this is probably not important, but attention to detail, I guess. Perfect. 2 dwarves. Perfect. I think this guy is always going to be armed, to be honest. Yeah. All right, cool stuff. This guy is gonna have a different animation blueprint, which I can do next time. But oh, what's wrong with his head? What the hell? Ah, okay, that was because he wasn't moving. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, because we're doing animation blueprints or something here. Yes. Whereas the mesh is doing the spear idol. Yeah, okay. So this guy is gonna have a different animation blueprint. I think he's never gonna be unarmed. Kind of doesn't make sense. He's always gonna be. I don't have whole string and unwhole string animations for him anyway, so it will be kind of tough for me to do that. Yeah. And maybe this guy cannot jump either. All right, cool. More animations for him next time. All right, this has been another stream for my 2.5D action RPG platformer. Thanks all for visiting and viewing. Follow me on this channel. I also post these videos when I can on my YouTube channel as well, same handle, Coding Rook. Yeah, and I hope to see you next time. Coding Rook signing out.